guys, I'm gonna be demonstrating a traditional soursop juice. So this is a soursop. Sure. It's soft already, so it's gonna be easy to make a scratch it through a strainer. That's my method today. Alright friends, so to begin this soursop juice, we're gonna remove all the skin from the soursop. Easy peasy to do because it is so soft already, very ripe soursop. So just stripping the skin away like so. Very simple, like this. Just remove all the green part. So I'm gonna finish doing this and then I'll come back with you. So we're gonna keep stripping away. That is why it is important to have clean hands, because I've never seen nobody use no utensils and do this before. Right, so keep your hands clean, get them working. Alright, soursop is normally in Jamaica, you normally drink soursop on a Sunday with a Sunday dinner, because it's like one of those traditional juice, soursop juice. Alright, so now we have all the skin peeled off. We're left with this big, I'm so happy about this soursop. It's so big, so ripe, everything just right about it. I want to show you the inside of it for those who've never eaten soursop before. You can eat it raw just like that, you know. Great. So this is it. What I'm gonna do is just to put it in the strainer, and I'm gonna mash it through this dish, through the strainer into this dish, because as I'm going to show you, the inside is filled with tiny seeds. So just breaking it, and this is the center. I'm probably not going to use all this soursop today. Alright, so this part, there's in the middle of the soursop we have this, we call it the heart. As kids, we used to like to eat this when our parents are preparing soursop juice. This is supposed to full of a whole heap of nourishment, nutrients. I'll probably do a research on it and list them below for you. I think soursop is also a superfood, so I'm just gonna give this a bite because it's not gonna really blend. Or should I? Right, so it is soft. I'm gonna save it for later. So, as I was saying about the seeds, each of this little petal pod thing has a seed in it. So I'm just going to squeeze that and show you. A seed comes out of it. So that is why you have to squeeze it through the strainer. That is one of the reasons why. Alright, so I'm going to portion this out and save about half of it. To store it, I'm just going to put it in a Ziploc bag. I'm going to do that right now. Put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer. And use it another time. As I'm not making juice for a lot of people today. So I'm just going to store half of this in this bag here. Right, that look alright. No, we used to love doing with small eat soursop and sugar just like this. Just put in one cup and put some dark sugar on it and eat it like that. Cause we used to have a soursop tree in our yard. Soursop like thing we used to grow up and eat, you know, regularly. Alright, when storing, you're supposed to get your air out. Get all the air out your bag. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to put it in the freezer. Now we're moving on to the other phase of it, which is getting it through the strainer. So I have my container ready. Alright, so now hold the strainer properly. But till we work, I'm just going to take out some of this. Probably gonna need to add water. Well, naturally I'm gonna need to add some water to this to work it through the strainer. I'm gonna get that. Okay. So this is how I'm gonna be doing it. Just put some water on it like so. We're gonna just massage it through until we only have like seeds left. Oh, let me get this out of the way. So we have only the seeds them left. So each time it gets a little bit more difficult to work with, we just add some water to it like so. Loosen it up a bit. And rub it through. You can see it's not hard, you know. Rub it through. So now we get it. I'm going to be adding a little Irish moss to this because, yeah, Irish moss is a super food with over 100 minerals and, you know, vitamins, minerals, 100 different nutrients in it. Like Irish moss has calcium, it has vitamins, it has vitamin D, it has copper, zinc, magnesium. Irish moss has almost, well, everything that you would get from, that's why it is called a superfood, because you can get all the nutrients that you don't get. Like you don't only get vitamin C from oranges, and you get calcium from milk and so on and so forth. Irish moss has all of that and more. So it's good to include it in your meals. Alright, so this looks like a finish now. See how much we get out of that? From Ja. So welcome back. I'm going to show you how this look before I add in Irish moss. See how much juice we get just adding just a little bit of water with the sauce up to squeeze it through. Irish moss, I just blended this up, so it's not as thick as you would expect it to be yet. And add maybe just a little because I want it to overpower the sauce up. So a few teaspoons. Alright, so we say maybe 2 tablespoons to add in there. We're adding in some water. because we want the consistency to remain very rich, very rich. You know, water down the soursop the soursop juice too much. See that? That's great. And then, as tradition would have it, and for flavor, and because it makes sense, we add lime juice. So I have this big beautiful lime. I love limes so much, you know. Love everything. I love lime trees because you know why? Because they attract bees. And the flowers on the lime tree smell so good. If you ever smell that lime flower. So if we plant trees, I would suggest we plant lime trees. I always think even for landscapers, plant lime trees along the roadways because they don't grow too tall neither, you know. Lime trees, man, attract some bees and it will be good for the environment, for the community. Goat now go eat them down because they have maca and goat love eat everything. Alright, so me add maybe 1/3 of this whole lime. We don't want it to overpower the soursop. That's it. And literally that's it, you know. Alright, so normally you can add some dark sugar to this and chill it before you drink it. That's it. If you want, you can sweeten it, but as I mentioned before, I won't be sweetening mine. It's good to enjoy the essence of the fruit without having to add sugar to them. So imagine the combination of lime and soursop together. That's just the flavor we're having today. That's it for me. I'm gonna pour this in a glass. Pour a glass of it. Not the entire thing in a glass. I'm gonna transfer it to a jug soon, but yeah. And how it is so that you can see. Oops. If you want, you can probably strain it again, but for me it is good. Right? Oh my god. I'm not exaggerate, that tastes so good. I'm not even taste it good, and it just tastes so bright and refreshing, and the soursop already sweet. You know? Tastes so delicious, so good, and the lime just kick it up. Yeah. Yes, my brothers and my sisters, that was so fun to make, and it tastes so good. God is good. God gave us everything we need to survive, you know. It's great. I'm so thankful. So thankful to be able to share something simple as this with you. So tomorrow, Sunday, Mrs. Soursop on the road enough in our market, and even, you know, on the roadside and so where we find people selling fruits and vegetables. Just buy a soursop and make yourself a glass of soursop juice, man. For your Sunday dinner. Probably a long time I don't have soursop juice, because these days it's easy to pick up a bottle of artificial juice. But see how simple that was and how fun that was to prepare. And it's so delicious, and it is even more delicious when you prepare your juice and your food yourself. So thank you for your view. I hope you enjoy this one. Hope you enjoy your soursop juice with a lime, some Irish moss, and that is it. Be blessed, eat well, work good.